To download and use Expert RAW mode for camera in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open the camera app on your device. Next step is to click on More Options right here, and then you can find Expert RAW mode. As you can see, there's a download icon next to it, which means you will need to download it. So for that, you will need Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then if you click on it with the internet connection, you can install this plugin for the camera. It takes 790 megabytes, so that's the size for this plugin. And now let's wait until it's downloaded. After the RAW Expert is actually downloaded, you can always access it by going into More Options and Expert RAW right here. And what it does is, as you can see, it's basically the same UI for camera as a Pro mode, but there's a few changes that are pretty much hidden. The secret about it is, unlike the traditional RAW files, Expert RAW captures several shots at once and merges them, then provides much higher HDR, then it's more detailed and bright, like for the skies or for dark shadows. It also makes less noise on the photos. Then it also has 16-bit DNG, which produces 16-bit RAW files, and they contain significantly more color data than the traditional 12-bit files in the Pro mode. And what you would use it for is Adobe Lightroom later to edit. So if you know what you're doing, you'll probably know how to use the images afterwards, but if not, then I would recommend to watch some specific tutorials on how to use Adobe Lightroom. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.